Welcome to MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. I'm Jason Chapman, and today I have the pleasure of showing you a brand new 2023 Nautique G23. So beautiful boat here. We've got the haze gray hull color. Again, this is 23 feet in length with the jet black accent, which really looks beautiful with the tower that we have up here. As we walk back to the swim platform, we have the stainless steel ladder that does go down in the water and a nice grab handle to get in and out of the boat. Beautiful sea decking here. And then on this boat, it is optioned with the underwater lighting. We have the NSS and the Nautique surf system. Got the exhaust pipe that shoots the emissions down into the water. It's got the NCRS and the steer assist. So this boat is very well equipped. Let's hop up inside and check out some of the interior features. So welcome inside this beautiful G23. We're going to start here on the swim platform and then work our way into the boat. We've got the nice gray sea deck here, so you're getting in and out of the boat without stepping on your upholstery. Tons of storage here, so can fit all your gear that you need on the water, boards, everything is very accessible down there. And then back here, one of my favorite spots on these boats is the seating area. So if you're anchored and hanging out, we have a couple seats back here with cup holders and then also a cooler. Making our way inside the boat. Great feature is this seat right here. So you can sit back, relax, and watch what's going on behind the boat. And then this easily just stores back into place. Nice tower here, and it's got the strapless board rack, so it fits any size board. And you can easily adjust that and swivel that back and forth. This tower actually folds down backwards and the bimini top lays completely flat. It's great for storage. And then powered by JL Audio, so we have some tower speakers up here. And then for sunshade, this does deploy out, plenty of sun protection, and then it's a great spot to hang your boards up there as well. And then walking inside the boat, we've got the haze gray upholstery and then the black, so it really ties into the exterior of this G23. Again, race car inspired seat. Ergonomically, this boat is very well equipped. You have your recessed glove box there. You've got your display screen, all ergonomically low so that you can see out your windshield. And then toggling through, you've got your hotkeys over here, but you've got your ballast shift. You can control your music. You can fill or empty all your ballast tanks, and then this boat has about every color on the spectrum, so you can rotate through these and customize it to your liking. And then we also have the GPS and avionics on here, so very well equipped. Again, speaking of storage, got a great spot underneath here. Right now we do have the towable cover in there. All right, so walking into the bow here, on this G23, we've got a wide area right here to hang out. This boat does come with a bow filler cushion, so you can make this into a complete sun pad. And beautiful boat. Again, this is a 2023 G23. It's located here in Rogers. Feel free to give us a call, make an appointment, or walk right in. We'd love to show you around. Thanks.